Hi friends, welcome to GMK tutorials. Today's topic is sequence detectors. Sequence detectors. So sequence detector means it is a sequential state machine which which detects input pattern. Okay, sequential detector means it is a sequential state machine which detects the input pattern and produce output as 1. Okay, so that is nothing but a sequential detector. So today just we have to detect the uh, Mealy mission, okay, for detection of 101. Okay, just we have to design the sequence detector for 101 detection. Okay na, 101 detect చేయడం కోసం మనం sequential detector ని డ్రా చేద్దాం by using Mealy mission. It is important. Okay na, Mealy mission. Okay, so coming to next one here. So for that purpose, first of all we have to take initially S0 is the state, S1, S2, S3. Okay, these are the possible states for detection of 101, right? So initially let us assume that when the input is 1 is applied as the S1 state, it is moving from S0 to S1 state, right? Suppose 1 is input for S1 state, it is also transition from S1 to S2. So this is also output. So this is a representation of a outputs and inputs in case of the medium mission, right? 0 by 0. 0 is nothing but, okay, this is a representation, right? Okay, so 1 0. So if the third bit is nothing but, we have to detect 1 0 1, right? So if the third bit is also 1, it is moving from S2 to S3. So up to now it is fine, right? మనకి 1 వస్తే S0 నుంచి S1కి మూవ్ అవుతుంది అనుకున్నాం. At the same time, if you are providing the 0 as an input for S1, it is moving from S1 to S2. At the same time, S2కి 1 అప్లై చేసామంటే S3. That means if you are applying the input as a 1 for S2 state, it is moving from S2 నుంచి S3కి వెళ్తుంది. So we have to consider the every state also having a 2 possibility, అంటే 0 ఒక possibility, 1 ఒక possibility, right? Now if you are applying the 0 as the input for S0 state, it is moving from S0 to S0 only. Okay na, మనం S0 state కి input 0 ఇచ్చామంటే, so it is transition from S0 నుంచి మళ్ళీ S0 కి వెళ్తుంది with an output of 0. So S0 state is over, ఎందుకంటే 0 possibility చూసాం. Here 0 and 1 possibilities are over. So ఇక్కడ మనం 0 possibility 1 possibility చూసేసాం. సో ఫర్ S1 స్టేట్కి 0 పాసిబిలిటీ అయిపోయింది, 1 పాసిబిలిటీ చూడాలి. సో ఫర్ ఇఫ్ ది ఇన్పుట్ ఈజ్ 1, అట్ ద టైమ్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, S1 స్టేట్ ఈస్ మూవింగ్ విత్ సెల్ఫ్, ఓకే, విత్ అన్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 0. సో వై, బికాస్ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ S0కి వచ్చేస్తే ఇన్పుట్ 1 ఇచ్చి అప్లై చేస్తే S1కి వెళ్తుంది. సో whenever input is 1 applied as a S1 state, it is moving from self state because S1 already 1 డిటెక్ట్ చేసింది. సో S1కి డిటెక్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి సేమ్ స్టేట్లోనే వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ది సెకండ్ స్టేట్. సెకండ్ స్టేట్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఈ ప్లేస్లో మీకు సెకండ్ స్టేట్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ది సెకండ్ స్టేట్. ఈ ప్లేస్లో సెకండ్ స్టేట్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఎ స్టార్టింగ్ బిట్గా ట్రీట్ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ స్టార్టింగ్ బిట్గా ట్రీట్ చేస్తుంది. బట్ so whenever the 0 is detected, it is moving from, okay, it is moving from S1 to S2 state. So here also possibility is over. Suppose in the S2 state, up to now our 1 is over and 0 is also over. So 1 for at S1 and 1 0 at the S2 state work 1 0 completed. Then here so whenever S2 state having a 0 input, what happens is there our sequence is 1 0 0. Okay, 1 0 is the where sequence is break. Now manaki kavalsina actual sequence is 1 0 1, right? But here we are getting 1 0 0. So sequence is break. Therefore it is we have to వెయిట్ ఫర్ ది స్టార్టింగ్ బిట్. అంటే మళ్ళీ మనకి 1 0 0 వచ్చిందంటే మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడైతే ఫస్ట్ బిట్ అనేది 1 అవుతుందో దెన్ ఓన్లీ ది సీక్వెన్స్ ఈజ్ స్టార్టెడ్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ కంపల్సరీ ది ఫస్ట్ బిట్ మస్ట్ బి ఏ స్టార్టింగ్ బిట్ ఫర్ ది సీక్వెన్స్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఇట్ విల్ గో టు ది ఐడియల్ స్టేట్. ఓకే, విత్ అన్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ 1, sorry, with an output of it is a 0 output, 0 input and 0 output state. Okay, at the same time for S3 state also, whenever the S3 state is taking as a 0 input, at the time it is moving from S3 to S1 state, because S3 state means that in the S3 state, after S3 state what is the output actually 1 0 1 and 0. So this is the output after the S3 state. Actually 1 0 1 is our required state, right? After 1 0 1 means that 0 is nothing but sequence breaking. So if you want to identify the sequence 1 0 1, the starting bit must be a 1 itself. But here we don't have any possibility, so that's why it is going for the reset condition. Okay, so that is a criteria, right? Okay, now so this is for 0 by 0 consideration. Suppose if the S3 state is also having a identity of if the S3 state getting input of 1 0 1 0, that means if S3 state, wait a minute, suppose after S3 state 1 0 1 is over, after that if you are getting the input as a 1, what happens is this one can be treated as a starting bit of the sequence. Okay, 1 is detected. So if the 1 is detected, it will wait for the second bit. Where we are waiting for the second bit? After S1 state. This is a waiting state for second bit. Okay, therefore it is moving from S1 to S1 state. Okay, with an output of input is 1, output is 0. Okay, so this is a Mealy state mission for 101 detection, right? Here 1 is over, here also with an output of 1. Okay, 1 1. So this is a diagrammatic representation where detection of 101 detection. Okay, using Mealy mission. Okay, so this is a circuit diagram and everything for regarding the explanation. Okay, so this is a Mealy mission example for 101 detection. Okay, total number of state at S0 state. Okay, where S0 state is the initial state. Okay, initial state. S1 for first bit, S2 for second bit, S3 for third bit detection. Okay, na? So this is a procedure, right? So I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you for watching GM tutorial. Thank you all.